Paying for your dinner, splitting a tab with friends, or buying your coffee has never been easier. But are payment apps safe? Hi, I'm Parker, and I'm an Asurion expert. And the short answer is yes, it's safe to pay with your phone. But stick around and I'll tell you why. And I'll give you tips on how to keep those transactions secure, whether you're using PayPal, Venmo, or Apple Pay. Payment apps work by securely linking your bank account or credit cards to the app or your phone's wallet, so you can use it when you need it. Your mobile wallet sends your card information from your phone to the merchant's device using near-field communication or NFC technology, which is similar to Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, but with a much shorter range. They're safe because your data is turned into a temporary card number or a changing alphanumeric identifier or token for every transaction you make. So card readers, or would-be scammers, never access your actual bank information. Keeping your information safe starts with your device. If anyone were to find your phone, you wouldn't want them to have access to your wallet, would you? Create a strong password, security PIN, or Face ID for your phone and for each app, so they're locked if your device falls into the wrong hands. Most payment apps have additional ways to protect your information. Your Apple Pay transactions are automatically private, but they're stored in your iCloud account. If the idea of having that information saved to the cloud feels a little sketchy, turn that setting off. Go to Settings, Your Name, iCloud. Under Apps using iCloud, tap on Show All and turn off Wallet. With Google Pay, your payment information is protected with layers of security. For extra security, choose to opt out of data sharing in the app's settings. Open your Google Pay app, tap your profile picture, tap Settings, then Privacy and Security. You can adjust the settings to your preferences for the perfect balance of freedom and security. Oh, wait, hold on, I'm getting a text.
Hey, hope you're feeling better.
I am. It's all the OJ got.
Cool, just saw your Venmo and figured you had to be okay if you're out with friends. Gone golfing? Since you're already out of the house, can you pick up a few things for me?
If you're new to Venmo, you might not know that when you create an account, all of your transactions are public and viewable on a social media style feed by default, possibly leading to an embarrassing situation or worse. We recommend making your transactions private. Tap Me, then tap the settings gear icon, then tap Privacy. Under default privacy settings, tap Private. Tap Past Transactions. You'll see the option to change to friends or change all to private. PayPal works a bit differently. Not only is it an app, it's a website too. Certain permissions allow other sites to see and save your personal information. Limiting which sites can see your credit card information limits the chances of it falling into the wrong hands. To control what sites are allowed to see your data, tap the account icon, tap Data and Privacy, then tap Permissions you've given. For both Venmo and PayPal, two-factor authentication is a great way to add another layer of security to your account. Also, turn on payment notifications so you're quickly alerted to any unauthorized activity. For professional help fixing and caring for your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.